Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the Value Education class. Today we will learn Chapter 7 Science for Service. In 1981, Shudha Chandran was an accomplished Bharatnatyam dancer, lost her right foot following a road accident. So this story is about Shudha Chandran, who was a Bharatanatyam dancer. She is alive now, and she lost her right foot following a road accident. In a road accident, she lost her foot, right foot. No one believed she would ever dance again. So, without the foot, how a dancer can dance? So, no one believed that she could dance again. However, not only did she dance again, she also became a television and film actor and ran her own dance school. But unbelievably, she danced again. She became an actor in film and television, and she ran a dance school also. And thanks to her determination and a simple device known as Jaipur foot. And thanks to her determination, because she was determined that I will do it, I will not stop. And a small device that is a Jaipur foot. The Jaipur foot is an artificial limb with two components. It is a artificial limb. It has two components, a foot piece made of rubber and wood, and a socket or shank now made of polymers. And before it was made of rubber and wood, and now it was made of socket and shank, uh, and it is made of polymers. The idea was conceived by a craftsman, Master Ramachandra Sharma, who showed the footpiece that he had fabricated to Dr. P.K. Sethi and his colleagues at the Savai Man Singh Medical College, Jaipur. So, this was first done in Medical College, Jaipur, and there Master Ramachandra first made and showed the food piece to Dr. P.K. Sethi and his colleagues. And where it is? It is in Savai Man Singh Medical College, and the Savai Man Singh Medical College is in Jaipur. The doctor realized its potential, and thereafter a team consisting of Dr. P.K. Sethi and other doctors, along with Master Ramachandra Sharma, worked together to develop what came to be known as the Jaipur foot. So, after that, a team was made and a team worked together under Dr. P.K. Sethi, and many other doctors were also there in the team, and Master Ramachandra Sharma was also there, and they worked together and developed a thing, and what came to be known as the Jaipur foot, and it came in 1968. Compared to other prosthetics, the Jaipur foot easy to be manufactured and fit. It allows a wide range in movement to the user, who can sit, squat, stand, run, climb trees, and pedal bicycles. It is also more affordable than other prosthetics. Moreover, the foot is fitted free of cost by the Bhagwan Mahavir Viklang Sahayata Samiti, BMVSS, a charitable organization set up by Dr. Mehta in 1975. So, compared to the other prosthetics, that means other things that helps these people, those who have lost foot or hand or anything, they it is more affordable. That means the cost is very low, and with the using this they can sit, they can squat means they can walk, they can run, they can stand, they can climb trees, pedal bicycles, everything they can do. And this is more affordable than other prosthetics means the things that helps to move the limbs, that those who have no limbs are there. Moreover, the foot is fitted free of cost, and it was given to the people free of cost by Bhagwan Mahavir Viklang Sahayata Samiti, BMVSS. It is a charitable organization. It is a charitable means given things to others, to the needy people without cost, and it was set up by Dr. Mehta in 1975. In recent years, the BMVSS has been providing more than 25,000 artificial limbs. Now they are giving more than 25,000 artificial limbs to the needy peoples. Every year they are giving, making it the world's largest organization for limb fitment. It has also held on the spot artificial limb fitment camps in other countries, including Afghanistan, Iraq, Pakistan, Vietnam, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sudan, Zimbabwe, then before that is Zambia and Colombia. And this institution is not only giving the artificial limbs to India only, it is giving in these countries also. The BMVSS is collaborating with various organizations to prove the Jaipur foot and other products through technology. The Jaipur knee, a self-lubricating knee joint with bends like a natural joint, was developed in collaboration with Stanford University, also known as Stanford Jaipur knee. It was rated among the 50 best inventions of the world by Time magazine in 2009. So now BMVSS is collaborating with other organizations and making, and recently they have done in 2009, in 2009 the World Time magazine has said that among the 50 best inventions, this is also a great invention. And now with the collaboration with Stanford University, the Jaipur knee became the self-lubricating knee, and it is bending also. It is working like a normal knee. The BMVSS is also working with organizations like the Indian Space Research Organization and the Indian Institutes of Technology. It improves its products through the use of new materials and technology. So now BMVSS is also working with Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, and the Indian Institute of Technology, that is IITS, to improve the products, quality of the products, and the use of new materials and technology. The Jaipur foot is indeed an excellent example of technology combining with philanthropy. It is an example of technology and philanthropy. So, science has invented some things that is serving our needy peoples, those who are feeling that without leg I cannot do anything, or those who are meeting a sudden accident, they are losing their limbs, but this inventions helping them to get their limbs. Oi. So read this chapter because it is very important. There are some dates are there, important institutes names, the short forms are there. Read this one, and we will meet in the next class with the next part of the chapter. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice time.